Welcome to Perlick. With over 100 years of manufacturing under our belt, we are excited to share a guided tour of our factory with you. We are proud of where we have been and are excited for what is in our future. For that, we thank you for making it all possible. With quality and a long-lasting name behind our brand, we take manufacturing serious. Most companies will do around a 1.5 AQL or quality test within the factory for products that they are manufacturing. At Perlick, we do not feel that testing just a few of our products is the proper thing to do, so we test 100% of all final assembly. This ensures that we are maintaining the quality that you would expect.
Although in 2017, the manufacturing process is vastly different than it was in the 1900s, Perlick still holds itself to the highest level of standards in the industry. With production times and efficiencies at the forefront, we have made the necessary investments to ensure the highest level of standards are met. While the use of laser and automated punching processes are not foreign in the industry, we have chosen to align ourselves with the best of the best when it comes to sheet metal. After all, this might be one of the most important steps. With speed and precision on our side, we were able to manufacture our equipment with tighter tolerances while reducing the amount of waste at every cut possible.
Sustainability isn't just an action word that is thrown around. Here at Perlick, we are doing our part by taking wastewater from operations and treating it with a multi-stage filtration process to remove heavy metals and other contaminants, which could be harmful to the environment. Treated water is discharged to a sanitary sewer where it makes its way to a water treatment facility for further treatment before it's returned to the city water supply. We are not only proud of the products that we build, but are also just as proud to say that we have earned our label as a Green Tier participant. One of the most important activities at the bar, outside of enjoying a great beverage of course, is making sure the customer has the cleanest glass possible in order to maintain the highest level of quality behind the bar. From a beer clean glass to high-end wine and spirits, demanding the highest level of quality starts with the glass.
At the hub of every great beer system is a Power Pak. With a combination of a well-built refrigeration system and a compact, high-efficiency heat exchanger, we aim to be as efficient as possible. To ensure that the system is cooling to the proper temperature, we actually measure the temperature of the glycol on the way back to the Power Pak and not on the way out. Each of our Power Paks are constructed of all stainless steel, and 100% of our units are quality tested before making their way to a bar near you.
Trunk lines are a great example as to what separates Perlick from the competition. As you can see, we actually build all of our own trunk lines in-house. One aspect of beverage lines that is very unique to Perlick is that we use copper coolant lines to house the glycol for all of our Century systems as a standard. Of course, plastic is an alternative here. However, we do not take shortcuts in ensuring that the proper temperatures are maintained in your system. By using a machine to accomplish this, we are ensuring that there is a tight fit throughout the entire run of beverage lines, which are also fire rated and carry an NSF approval. We have the ability to bundle up to 24 beverage lines at a max, or if needed, we can customize your order by adding branches to the bar end of the system for multiple towers, rather than running more lines from the cooler, saving on installation cost. From a few feet to several hundred, we are equipped and ready to make the difference at your bar.
In an industry where there are many options, we take pride in building the best tower on the planet, in-house. Every tower that Perlick manufactures is designed and engineered right here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and built to stand the test of time. Every tower that we manufacture comes with a foam-in-place insulation and a heat exchanger behind every flavor for the most efficient cooling on the market. From the very custom towers to the standard T-tower, we build it right for you. Every tower in our catalog that we manufacture not only carries an NSF approval, but has a Perlick heat exchanger. Our heat exchangers are cast in a material called Kursite. This is the best material for conducting cold, and when it comes to beer, this is at the forefront of our customers' expectations.
Every bar serving cocktails is probably familiar with the idea of a cocktail station. However, here at Perlick, we manufacture, bend the tubing, and foam in place each and every cocktail station that leaves our factory. Our patented ice chest has over 150 feet of cooling lines that will end up in an aluminum casting, which is installed to the underside of our fully welded interior, allowing for not only a seamless interior, but also no room to be left behind for bacteria to grow, or chips in an exposed cold plate you may see from other manufacturers.
Although the bar industry isn't one that is met with big box store levels of similar SKUs when it comes to draft equipment and back bar refrigeration, we inventory a number of standard items that meet the needs of the market via our quick ship program. However, with millions of options and accessories possible to customize your bar, we spend a considerable amount of time building up sub-assemblies and finished goods to minimize the time it takes for us to finish a custom item or when building to inventory our stock items.
Since most of our products have many options for the customer, we have a very fluid assembly line. From doors, drawers, exterior finishes, etc., we are ready to meet the customer's expectation for their bar. Each item is inspected and tested in every department by the employees for fit and finish to ensure the highest quality of products are being sent to the field. We take our shipping serious. Each item is properly marked per the packing slip for a quick inspection and receiving at the customer's dock or location. In an effort to protect the highest quality of products in the industry, we are constantly testing our shipping crates and processes to minimize damage and downtime when getting your order out to you. We try to be as fast and efficient as possible, but we do not want to harm that precious cargo. We cannot thank you enough for the time you have spent with us. We know that you have many options, and for that, we are grateful for the opportunity to earn your business. You are a very important part of Perlick, and the last 100 years wouldn't be possible without each and every one of you.